Hey, what's going on everyone? Vega here for SerpentX Tech, and in this video I'm going to go over how to update the firmware on your Goldshell crypto hardware wallet. Log into your device via PIN or fingerprint, and on the home screen swipe right and go to System. At the very bottom you're going to see firmware update, and when you tap on that you got two options. You could do it via micro SD card or USB, which we are connected via Type-C connection. And now if we tap on it, you're going to see a website show up here, but that website is not exactly correct. Matter of fact, if we go to that website, you would see page not found. It's missing one single word, and that is the word resource. If you add wallet.goldshell.com/resource/firmware-update, it will take you to the same page where you got the same two options, USB update or micro SD card. So in this case, we're just going to choose the web one. And we went through the process already, but if you chose the micro SD option, you're going to need to download your version, whether it's Windows, Mac, or Linux. And it looks kind of like Balena Etcher, but it's not quite. It's its own imaging software. It is not signed, so your Windows system or Mac might say it's an unauthorized or unknown vendor, so you might need to allow and go through the process. But if you did it through the web app, first you would select it, you would click start, a window would show up in your top left to where you can connect your device. So select it and hit connect. And now we got to put in our PIN to unlock the device again, but please back up your seed phrase or make sure you have it backed up before you do any firmware update on any crypto hardware wallet. Now on your device you will see firmware update USB. We can either cancel or confirm. If we hit confirm, there's going to be a loading bar that's going to start to show up on your desktop computer. Back to the SD card side, we already have the program downloaded. And again, this is what Balena Etcher looks like right here, this little green icon. And then this is the Goldshell imaging one. When we open it up, it looks exactly the same, where we can select our device, select the drive we want to use, which we have an SD card. And you don't need a big one. Like this ScanDisk 16 gig will do just fine. And then you would hit flash, and then you would put that SD card into your Goldshell wallet right here on the left hand side using the provided tool. It's basically a SIM card tool to pop that little tray out and put the SD card in there. But you let this firmware update process, only takes about a few minutes, and keep an eye on the loading bar on your screen, and once completed you should be good to go to get back into your Goldshell wallet. Good luck, and let me know your thoughts on this particular crypto wallet. I believe the price is around $250, and I think that's a bit high. Goldshell, I would have liked to seen it around $100 to